Hello guys, my name is Samuel Daniel from Vivos Academy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to trade using leverage trading. Okay, so we are in a dip right now. After Elon Musk's tweets about Bitcoin and climate change, and then the China fraud, which caused Bitcoin to dip a lot more. Now, coins are on the way back up. See Bitcoin shooting back to $40,000, right from $30,000 where it dipped to. Now, a lot of other coins will be dipping, will be pumping back up also. Sorry, will be pumping back up, and I've bought a lot of BNB right now because it's gonna pump, and a lot of these coins will do times 2 in a couple of days or a week or two. Highest 2 weeks, they're gonna hit their ATH and blast it. I believe they're gonna break their ATH. So many people are scared of buying dips. I would say this is the best time to buy a dip. See, BNB dropped down to 280, and now it's pumping back up again. So I want to teach you how to buy these things, but you're not just going to buy BTC or BNB just the normal way and make profits, because I advise people, hey, if you have a small portfolio, if you have a small accounts, do not go for Bitcoin or expensive what's it called, coins like Bitcoin, Ethereum. They are really, really expensive. See, Bitcoin now is $39,000, which is cheaper than it was a few days ago anyway, but then it's still very expensive. I would advise you go for very cheap coins, really, really cheap coins. Where's my fiat? Or you can go to zones, under DeFi, but that's not the purpose of this class anyway. But go for really cheap coins in the USDT, pair that are really cheap. This is $1, which is good. And yeah, there are a lot of things to consider actually. Now, what I want to teach you is leverage trading. Instead of buying BTC, just this BTC, you can instead buy BTC up. And actually, you can find it here under ETF. So everything in this ETF, I don't know the full name of ETF, I'll have to check that later. But then all these coins are leveraged coins. They are all with the USDT pair. That means you must have USDT in your wallet to be able to trade them. So use your USDT to buy them. Now they all have either up or down. Okay, so let me explain how it works. Say I want to trade BTC up. Now, mind you, it's not all the coins that are here. There are just a few coins that have this up or down. Now, if I want to trade this BTC up, instead of just me making gains on my normal amount, the normal way you trade in sports trading, the profit I'll be making on this BTC up is 1.693 times the amount I was supposed to make when I'm trading normal BTC USDT. Do you get that? So the profit I'm going to be making will be 1.6 times more than trading BTC USDT, because this time I'm trading BTC up. Now, the same way buying normal coins, normal BTC, that's how this works also, just that your profits will be higher. But when the coin is going, the price of the coin is going downwards, the way you lose, the way your money, counts negative will also be higher than trading normal BTC. But then you don't have to worry, because if you don't sell at loss, then you don't really lose. You just hold, have patience till it goes up and you're in profit. But when it pumps and you're in profit, you're going to make more profits than when you're trading normal BTC. Now, there's also something, BTC down. These leverage coins have both up and down. See, BTC down. Okay, and look at the BTC down. It has a leverage of 2. It's showing minus because it's down, right? 2.5 times. So if this BTC down, instead of buying low and selling high, as normal coins are, you buy low and sell high, right? This time you buy high and sell low. But on the graph, it still looks like you're buying low and selling high. But this now is the opposite of normal BTC, and it's also the opposite of BTC or BTC up / USDT. I hope I'm not confusing you. BTC down is the opposite. The chart is the opposite of BTC, of normal BTC. That is, when normal BTC now here, which you can see here, when normal BTC is going upwards and you went to hold or you want to buy BTC down, when BTC is going up, you'll be losing because you went to buy BTC down. You think BTC is going to go down and you bought it, but then BTC starts going up. You are going to be losing. But when BTC starts falling down like this, you'll be gaining because you bought BTC down. So why is BTC down? Why is it needed? If you think right now, this is a resistance here now. This is a small resistance. You might think or you might believe that BTC, this is normal BTC, right? BTC, you might do analysis and decide that BTC is going to drop from here to, let's say, this level before it goes back up again. So you can go and trade BTC down. BTC down. You believe that, okay, say at this point it's going to go this way, right? You just buy the BTC down, and then when you get somewhere here, you take profits. Note that this is on BTC down now. So that's how it is traded. You can trade the opposite of a coin. The opposite of a coin that is on leverage. So instead of just trading going up, you can also trade the downward movements using that BTC down. But then if you want to buy this BTC now and it's you believe it's going to go up, or BNB or AVE, different coins that have leverage, and you feel they're going to go up, our advice, instead of buying the normal coin, go and check if it has, if it is a leveraged coin. Now look at AVE. There's AVE up and there's AVE down. See, AVE up, AVE down, AVE down. Now let's see the leverage for AVE down. 5 times. You're going to make 5 times of profits if you are trading AVE down. But that's if you think the price of AVE is going to fall, then you come and trade AVE down. But if you think the price of AVE is going to keep going up, instead of trading normal AVE USDT, go and trade AVE up instead, and you're going to make 1.7 times. That's almost 2 times of the profits you're going to make on the norm. Now, this let's see BTC, which I would BNB. I believe BNB is going to pump like crazy very soon. This is normal BNB, right? BNB USDT, and the price now is 390, almost 400 already. It fell from 600. Let's see the all-time high for BNB on a daily. Yeah, the all-time high is 691. Woo! All this in one day, right from here. From 500, it fell down to 280. Now it's pumping back up almost at 400 already. See, if you trade leverage here, with leverage trade, you're going to make more than you will have made if you just traded this normal BNB. And now this is going up from here now, which is like 400, going up to 691, and I believe it's going to break this, ETH in a few days. It's going to. The profit you're going to make will be really, really great if you are trading with BNB up rather than normal BNB. So that's how to trade, with leverage trading. What's the risk? There's no risk. You might want to do your research on that too, but then there's no risk. Just that if you are trading down, the general movement in crypto is an upward trend. The trend is always upwards. This is a weekly time frame. Okay. If not for this that happened recently, okay, in the last 2 days, the trend has always been upwards, as you can see here, always up. Go and check any coin. The trend has always been upwards. See, let's check Bitcoin. The trend has always been upward. This is a weekly time frame, so each of these candles represents 1 week. See, it's always going up, 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 up. So that's the trend. So if you go and buy BTC down, or a coin, and the down of a coin, and that coin does not go down again, just keeps going up, then you'll be stuck in the trade. But then if you buy up, you cannot go wrong. The highest that can happen is a dip happens, and then after some time it recovers. Okay, so yeah, I believe you understand how to trade with leverage trading. Now, when you buy a new trade here, see, you're on spot, right? Not on futures. It's the normal spot account, right? Spot. Just go to BNB. Just tap on the name of the coin so you can see all the lists of coins here. You might be on on fiat by default. Just go to ETF. You'll see all the coins here. But then you can always search at the top too for any coin, and you check if they have uh, they have they have a leverage trade for it. Okay. Now in your wallet, it's when you buy a coin, it goes to the same place where your normal coins go to your spots. They go, your the what's it called? The balance, yeah, for the coin you're holding shows in your sports wallet. The normal place your coin shows when you buy. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you love it, if it has helped you, please subscribe to my channel and like my videos. Turn on the notification bell so you can get more of these tutorials. Thank you.